and you can see that is before reaching the home itself, if you want to switch on the AC, that can be done, and you can switch off the light or switch on the light, that can be done. And also with the fingerprint PC, we are able to lock the houses, and the lock can be connected with the your card or with a mobile. Like that we are able to connect to that one. And you might be experience, some of you might be experience this Alexa devices. Amazon is giving that one. With the devices we are able to control the other devices with the voice assistant in Amazon systems and all, so that when you are entering in the house itself, you can ask the device to switch on the light or switch on the AC and etc. Therefore, this is some Apple Home Kit also. And then this smart refrigerator. This smart refrigerator, it can order. Okay, suppose if any particular milk is over, it has to order for the milk. That also can be done in the online. And also, if some of the items are that is rotten, or some leftover food is there, and some information about that one, that also can be given to the mobile devices. Everything is possible with a smart refrigerator. And also the pollution warnings, what is the in the air monitor you are using, what is the temperature, what is the suppose any gas leakage is there, and all those informations can be given in that one. And then comes the smart shoes. Smart shoes is what it is. With a button change, you are able to change the color of the shoe, and with the tap you are able to call that cab, or you can text message, or you can monitor your steps and how much calories you burn. All those things can be done with the smart shoes. And also access to devices and theft avoidance can be done in that. And smart thermostat. And then here this is another one, smart thermostats. We are able to find out, learns by itself how much temperature you want to have it in your, suppose if you are using for last 7 days 25 is your air conditioned temperature you are setting for your in the night while you are sleeping, automatically the next day it will change to that particular temperature because you are using it in the same temperature. Therefore that is a smart thermostat. And the next is this Philips Hue bulbs. These bulbs are connected with your mobile phones or tab. Therefore, what it is, if you are watching a movie, you want to dim the lights, or if you are eating, you want to have a different color for the room. Everything can be, the color of the bulb can be changed. The power of the bulb can be changed. Everything either on, off, timer, everything can be done. That is, the bulbs can be used in a proper way with your mobile or tab. Therefore, your tab, that is a Philips Hue bulbs. And then for the health is a major one. That is, if there is any fall of the disabled people or a elderly person, if suddenly they have fallen down, immediately that can be find out. And the medical fridges and sportsman care, patient surveillance and ultraviolet radiation. And also many IoT health sector applications. You see this one, all those applications in the healthcare can be controlled with the impact in human lives. What are the importance of a connected healthcare, and by using the drones and with the genetic medicine and everything, with the help of that IoMT, that is Internet of Medical Things, to provide high quality medical services using the smart medical devices. And we are able to do the real-time monitoring of patients, and also any emergency situation like asthma attack, heart failure, immediately that information can be able to reach to the physician, and he can reach to the person. And also the blood pressure, sugar levels, oxygen and weight, all those things can be taken care. And then how they are going to do that one with the medical devices. That is, one particular device is a wearable device. This device can monitor your temperature of the body, what is the pressure, and all those relate, even the blood pressure, sugar level also it can find out, and it can record it. And with the GPS tracking bells and gadgets and many other IoT applications can be used as a wearable one. You can see that clinical efficiency, consumer home monitoring, fitness wearables, infant monitoring, sleep monitors, brain sensors, neurotechnology, biometric sensors, wearables are also some new advances in the healthcare. And then comes the smart toothbrush. This smart toothbrush, it can when you are brushing itself, it can find out what is the that is how much cavity is there, how much problem is there, and all those your dental problems can be avoided with the help of this one. If it can record everything in your mobile, and with that we are able to get the information, and with that data we can reach to the dental doctor and every person. And also the infant monitor, that is the what is a baby's position, and also nowadays what is the theft of infants from the hospitals are a very major one. If they are having any infant monitor and they are moving the child from the hospital to the outside of the hospital, immediately that can be informed. Therefore that type of informations can be done with the infant monitor, MyMo monitor. And also the health and fitness, we have that shoes and other things. And then there is exists a tattoo sensor. This tattoo sensor can be removed after use, and that sensor can communicate through the skin what it can find out the temperature and other conditions of the person, and stress level and everything that can be informed to the physician. And apart from that, this is another Polo Tech shirt, and this shirt is having the sensor, and this is going to find, it can record the biometric recordings of the athletes, like heart rate, calories burned, activity levels, and breathing depths, and etc. And that can be informed. Therefore this is very effective for the sports persons to use it. And already we have seen about the Apple Watch. This is having lots and lots of that. What are the your mobile is doing, that can be done with the help of an Apple Watch. And also we can say that it is a personal digital assistant, like that it is acting upon. And then this everything can be done with the help of a microchips, and sensors are used here, that is going to use it in any collars of the pet. Therefore we are able to find out where that pet is moving. Therefore in pet finding also we are using this microchips. And Google Glass, this is what it is. With that we are able to that is voice activation, we are able to do it. And we are able to like a smartphone without any hands-free form, we are able to use this Google Glass. It's a result of Project Glass from Google, and it is used for the optical head display. And then next is the Internet of Nano Things. Nano Things, IoNT, is made up of linked nano devices through current network and telecommunication system. It is adding to incorporate nano sensors into the devices, and to globally it is going to be useful. And I can show you one example of this bug. This is made up of nano material, and therefore in the healthcare system it is very much helpful. I can tell you one example, that is this nano bugs will be having the medicines for the cancer, and it is sent inside to the person that is having the cancer. This bug, it is finding it out whether a cell is affected by the cancer or not. If it is affected by the cancer, then it is pouring the medicine drop to that cell, and it kills that cancer cell, and other healthy cells it is leaving. And then this type of nano bugs are dissolvable after some time. After all those drugs are delivered, then automatically it dissolves in the blood itself. Like that, this type of one example of like that we are having many types of nano things which are helping in the healthcare, military, logistics, aerospace, and all those manufacturing and smart cities. And next is the Internet of Military Things. Military is another area where we need to use lot of machines and all to find out what is going on. And even the man cannot go to certain places where that machines can go and find out a lot of things. Therefore I can show you one picture here. We are able to see that Internet of Battlefield Things, that is at that with the help of the drones and all, we are able to control. With the drones also can do some bomb and other things it can drop, and etc. That can be controlled with the Internet of Battlefield Things. This here I can show, I'm showing one smart monitors. This is the bomb one. It can be activated from the place wherever it is. It can be sent to a faraway place, and we are able to use it to kill the enemy. And also this smart gun, which is having battery power connector, sensor is there, and trigger management, photo relay, everything can be done. That is, it can send the information from the gun to the server, so that the persons can find out and they can trigger the gun also. Therefore, this is another smart gun. And unintended security exposures, if you see that one, here this is one farm feeding, and also here one mine is there. Here in that mine, this much temperature have to be there, this much gas have to be there. Like that, they might be having some pre-settled conditions. Suppose if it is somebody else is changing that one, then it is going to be a threat to the people who are all there in the mine. Therefore, there will be a need of security in IoT systems, because if everything is controlled by the machines, then we need definitely some very high security. And therefore, here we are saying that this biometrics is acting upon a good security measure for this IoT systems. As you have already know about fingerprint, facial thermogram, hand geometry, face detection, with the help of air, iris, palm print, voice, we are able retina, and also with the signature. And also, what is gait? Gait is the way how we are walking. Therefore, that is the gait analysis. With that, we are able to find out who is whether that is an authorized person and all. I can show you one small video.
Joyce, next.
That video can show you that is here. Okay, therefore here with the gate and all, gate is a we are able to do that one very nicely. And then next is therefore with the biometrics in IoT, we are able to unlock many bank applications, email accounts, homes, and many other things. And with the evolution of the IoT and utilizing of biometrics, there will be endless applications. It is going to give us both convenience and security. Different industries such as smart home, automotive industry, finance, healthcare, etc. And without any limit to the human imagination, lots and lots of things can be done with the help of an IoT. I hope you are able to get some view about and ideas about what are the things what are the places where we are using our Internet of Things. And this is not limited. We are going to invent much more. And I hope you are able to get some idea. Thank you for this opportunity. If you have any questions, you can share it in the chat. Okay. Thank you.